Alright, so our first step is, it tells us we have solid sodium reacts with water, forming solid sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So the first thing we need to do is go through and actually write out the reaction. So it tells us we have solid sodium, which is Na, and it tells us it reacts. So anytime you see the word reacts, that means we are representing a plus sign. And then we have water, so it's Na plus H2O. Then you see the word forming. Anytime you see the word forming, creates, anything along those lines, we draw what is called a reaction arrow. Then it tells us we have solid sodium hydroxide. We know this is an ionic compound because it has no prefixes. So we write in crisscross, so Na is +1, OH is -1, crisscross, and that creates NaOH. And then so we have hydrogen gas. So you have to remember your Hunkelbrief. So we have HONCl, Br, I, and F. Anytime you have one of these 7 by themselves, so not in a compound, you have to make it a diatomic. So we write H. Well, H is one of our Hunkelbriefs, so we put H2. Now we go through and we balance it. So we write each of the elements out. And you're going to want to write them in the same order. List how many of each you have. And you should see that our hydrogen is the only thing that's not the same right now. So we're going to try to make it the same. So we're going to put a 2 in front of NaOH. This makes hydrogen 4, but it also makes Na2 and oxygen 2. So we're going to come over here and we're going to satisfy the hydrogen first. So we're going to put a 2 in front of here. That makes hydrogen 4, and it also makes water 2, or oxygen 2. So then the only thing left we have to satisfy is the Na, so we put a 2 in front of Na, and now it is balanced. Your homework problem is on the board, so you need to write the reaction of aluminum sulfide reacting with copper to create copper 2 sulfide and aluminum.